Good morning, Rusty Timber fans. You might be wondering why I am at Lowe's. Sometimes I wonder too. The Lowe's is, we all know that Lowe's is good for certain things, but I've been looking for a thickness planer for quite a long time since I got rid of my big one. And obviously the DeWalt is probably the top of the lower end planers that you can get, and so I actually found that they had the best price currently, and so we're running in to get that. Also, fun fact, just found out this morning doing a little research that Lowe's owns a company in Australia also. So anyway, here we go. Well, I got it. Okay, got it home, unloaded. I'm gonna unpack it, but it doesn't come with outfeed tables, nor does it come with a stand. It's a whole bunch more money for that. But hey, guess what? We're gonna build one. I was leaving Lowe's, these 2x6s here, the dumpster, and they were in the dumpster. Caught my eye, so I grabbed them. I think they're gonna make a great infeed and outfeed table, along with some steel that I got out behind the shop. To start with, let's build a box. Box that goes boom, 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 boom. Here, I'll show you the drawing real quick. Just kind of a rough idea how it's going to look. So look what I made. I'm into it about, well, the price of the planer, of course, but the stand itself, I'm into it about, I think it was 13 bucks for the screws. Had the steel, found the lumber, bingo, bango. Go make some sawdust, y'all. I am.